Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is an impressive ride that stands out in the burgeoning electric bike market. With its robust 1800W peak motor, this bike delivers exceptional power, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The acceleration is smooth and exhilarating, effortlessly reaching speeds that will satisfy thrill seekers and casual riders alike. One of the bike's notable features is its sturdy construction. The frame is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability while remaining lightweight. This design not only enhances the bike's longevity but also makes it easier to handle during rides. The suspension system further adds to the comfort factor, absorbing bumps and providing a smoother experience on rough terrains. The Aipas M1 Pro also boasts a large-capacity lithium battery, offering a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. This impressive range makes it an ideal choice for longer commutes or weekend excursions without the constant worry of running out of power. The battery is removable, allowing for easy charging at home or in the office. In terms of design, the bike features a sleek and modern aesthetic that appeals to a wide range of riders. The bright LED lights enhance visibility during night rides, while the integrated display provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. The bike's 26-inch tires offer good traction and stability, making it suitable for various terrains. While the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike excels in many areas, it's important to note that its weight may be a factor for some riders, especially those looking for a super lightweight option. However, the performance and features far outweigh this minor drawback. Overall, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a powerful, reliable, and stylish electric bike. Its combination of speed, comfort, and functionality makes it a top contender in its class. Whether commuting to work or exploring nature, this bike promises an enjoyable riding experience.